check it out. What do we got? Got some 99, some purple stuff, some OJ, some soda pops. Shit, some Double RC. Give me some of that shit. Alright, we got some VTA going on. Sean Solo, Double RC, what's going on? I had to go home, I had to get my satchel, I left it there. Forgot a few things. Forgot my glasses. Forgot the GoPro. I forgot my Subway coupons. I forgot my good attitude. And I forgot my peepas. Alright, let's go to the race, okay? Let's see what I got. This will be the first one.
Alright, it's going to be Chris Lauder up front, followed by Joel, then RJ, Shannon, George, and Tim.
It's about to not happen.
Alright, Slaughter, less than 5.
Hold on, I'll get you guys set up.
Shannon, George, Tim.
And action. As you heard Manuel say already, we've already started the races. And we're in it to win it. Except for those guys.
Alright, Tim out front, followed by RJ, Shannon, Chris, Joel, and George. Tim was 33, RJ 43, Shannon 40 Slaughter 51, Joel 64, George 55. Tim on 22 lap pace, RJ 21, Shannon 20, Chris Lauder 20, George 19, Joel 19. Tim still got high 13-3, RJ 13-7, Shannon 13-8, Slaughter 14-3, Joel 15-2, George 14-4. Tim, Shannon, RJ, Slaughter, George, and Joel.
2 minutes left.
Shannon's moving to that second position now. It's Tim, Shannon, RJ, George, Joel, and Slaughter.
1 minute left.
Minute left. Tim on a 22.506, Shannon 21.508, RJ 21.513, George 19.502, Joel 19.504, and Lauder and Cool. Keep going till I call your name. Keep going till I call your name. Joel, you're done. George is done. RJ's done. Shannon's done. And Tim on his victory lap. Tim with a 22.508 takes TQ. Modified sedan, you are up. GT12, Tim, David, Garrick, and Clarence.
Wayward Son.
All right, that was your VTA for today. Peace, later. Like, subscribe, and all that stuff.